Spokesperson of certain organization, Shanta Nahakpam, announced to impose 24-hour total shutdown in Imphal from 6 p.m. today to 6 p.m. tomorrow. In a press meet held at International Peace and Social Advancement (IPSA) Kangleipak office located at Kaishamthong, Shanta Nahakpam highlighted the Kuki militants' aggression by killing a woman identified as Maibum Sophia, 27, who was working in a paddy field at Saito. He criticized the state government, police and various other law agencies for not addressing the killing of Sophia. He also strongly condemned the attack launched by Kuki militants indiscriminately and abduction of 3 women and 3 children. Citing the gun attack occurred at Sanashabi village, leading to the injury of a Tangkhul man, Shanta Nahakpam criticized the state government for their failure to take statement even after the road blockade had been imposed along Jeshami Road by various CSOs. He further stated that the total shutdown has been imposed by IPSA, Pandam, Akomlup, KSA, Ipak, Kanglamai, Kil, LLK, Loyalup, Swa, Mikal, Aksil, ERDO over state government in action against the multiple attacks carried out by Kuki militants. The shutdown will not affect medical, religious, water supply and emergencies.
Sakarga Kuki singa ada dilida wari sanaba hore na praja ki confidence ama laba matungda yamna usita oidana militant singna mu loi wari sagera saroira nawalo de kaimta daka leite akoi tawni madum tawni aibagi free hand thabagi mawng ama lapaji masi akoi yam thina condemn tawe jiba amda share pe ma sir matungda nioi tara koi si kano tawgiba thodok si koi hosiki Facebook tadi angang singdo leigidre haiba ama viral oina chalai adubu akoina hosik leiba lenga sida hosik leiba intelligence ki source mayam jida hojiksu akoi thajaba thamaga sakarna apaba matang matam chana hojiki mi singse rescue tawni haiba wakalon duga loinana sakarna matik chaba step lokot pangam dawse masi akoi loop down doisigi maikai digi condemn tawjari mata tawba yarni lengak se leitre moina akoida law igera central force igera tawningba tawba akoina kaim tawngam moi moina na khallaga senam chirang gi soida akoi koptru senam chirang swai gi range da coordinated oiba attack akoi Facebook da kaida social media da ure drone gi oiba attack then rocket kapak gi attack sigi mayam je chatak base si sakarna kaim tawba ngam dawse sigi matangda ngasi akoi gi loop down doisina akoi miyam da lauthok chari hojik tagi yauna 24 hours total shutdown lauthok chare koi khangi miyam si yamna hojik nakan mari mangadagi blockade toksandana chana thakna bo walakpa pot maman ningalakpa haiba punim punamak se basigi daita si ngang na lodam ni